Sir, just now the classes has started, sir.
Yes, Himanshu, you are saying something.
Sir, just now the classes started, na sir.
Yeah. 6:30 to 7:30. Good evening, everyone. Turn on your cameras. Yes. Yes, today, as I told that, as I mentioned earlier, today we are going to have doubt session. Please, you can ask your doubts if you have any doubts. Come on. I asked you to post your doubts. How many of you did that? And I'm not getting a messages from you guys that you have done with your homework. I don't see anyone's texting. Guys, are you able to solve the problems every day?
Yes, sir, I do have. I forget to send you the message.
Even I do solve, sir, every day.
Drop me a message as soon as you finish that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, if do you have any doubts? If you don't have, well, then we'll move forward. So I think we are in a new lesson. What lesson we are going through?
Sir, we were doing triangles.
Area related to triangles we are in.
Area related to circles.
Yeah, area related to circles. So yes, tell me, shut up. Do you have any doubts?
Areas related to circles.
No, from entire thing. So far, whatever we have gone through.
No, sir, not particular.
Himanshu,
No, sir.
Anudeep,
No, sir.
Tushar, I can't hear you, Tushar. You are in mute. Ahil,
No doubt, sir.
where is Akil? Turn on your cameras, everyone. Yes, Tanvi, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, Diksha,
Sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Are you solving the problems every day?
Yes, sir.
Good. Have you done, how many have you done with your worksheet?
Sir,
I'm
did you
done.
post a new one?
Yeah.
No. For which chapter?
Sequence and series, I mean, like arithmetic progressions, have you done?
Yeah, that one done, sir. That was
Yes,
the first
sir,
one, right? I was
completed.
asking if you posted a second.
No. Like after that, did I post anything?
I did not check, sir.
One second. Let 1 second. I think we have posted. 1 second. Let me share the screen. So if you go to the classwork, you can find out under worksheets section. So yeah, arithmetic progressions you guys have done. And no. Actually, but no one has submitted here. Only Ahmad, Anudeep, Namat, Shaikh. Shut up. Only 3 members have submitted. What about others? What about others?
Sir, I'm done with it, but I have to submit it.
Sorry.
I am done with it, but I have to submit it.
Okay, please submit it then.
Sir, half
Okay,
of
sir.
my
By
worksheet
today.
is complete, sir. By tomorrow, I will submit to you.
Sorry, Himanshu.
Sir, half of my worksheet is complete, sir. By tomorrow, I will send, sir.
Why didn't you finish? Why couldn't you finish?
Sir, actually in school also there was a test, sir.
Okay.
And sir, will you also send the corrected PDFs?
Yeah, actually, no. Actually, the questions are pretty easy. That if you felt anything wrong, if you felt anything like incorrect, then you can ask me.
So not incorrect, but the level 3 and level 2 few questions I felt I didn't get it.
Acha, no problem. We'll discuss it. Akil, do you have any doubts? Akil, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Huh? Can't hear you, man. Do you have any doubts?
No.
Okay. Amrita ji,
No, sir.
are you able to understand the classes?
Yes, sir.
Akil, what about you? Akil. Tell me, what about you? Are you able to follow the classes? Are you able to understand? Huh? I can't hear you. What's the problem with you? What's the problem? Huh? Yes, tell me. Yes, Pratibha. Tell me, Pratibha, do you have any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Are you able to follow the classes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pratyusha, are you able to understand? Any doubts, Pratyusha?
No doubt, sir.
Are you able to follow the class and understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Tell me your doubts now. Yes, Sira Yogesh. Yogesh, do you have any doubts, Yogesh? Yogesh. Okay, Tushar.
No doubt, sir.
Udbhav.
No
Udbhav.
doubt, sir. No doubt,
Himanshu.
No, sir.
Himanshu.
No doubt, sir.
No doubts.
Okay. So tell me, then shall we go for the same chapter, or do you have any doubts from your side? If you have, you
Sir,
can give.
let's continue the chapter, sir.
Okay. So till what I think we have done with concept, right?
Yes, sir. The basic concept.
Yeah. So chalo, we'll start with the concept. We'll go with that. Chalo. So let us solve the problems. One second. Can you able to see the screen here? Can you see the screen, guys?
No, sir.
1 second. One second. Guys, how many have you done? How many have you done with your exercise? I mean, like areas related to circles from your school side?
Sir, I'm finished with the chapter.
Acha, you finished with the chapter. So I think you might have understood everything, right? Isn't it, Shadab?
We have
Shadab.
understood.
Yes. So look at it. So now let us go with RD Sharma problems. I'm not going further. I'm not going for your NCRT. Actually, you guys have to solve the NCRT. So let us go with RD Sharma. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1
Yes,
second.
sir.
Guys, what is the circumference of a circle? Tell me.
Sir, 2 pi r.
Sir, 2 pi r.
2 pi. Have you revised? So look at this, guys. Now solve this question. So what is the question given here? Find the circumference of a circle whose area. Circumference. Make it first. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer quickly.
Sir, should we take pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14?
22 by 7, sir.
22 by 7. 22 by 7 you take. Doubt. So our radius given, I mean circumference of circle, whose area given. Area is what? Pi r square, which means 301.84 given. So r square is equal to here 22 by 7 you have to take. Here 301.84.
So that is 3.14 is already in decimal and this also in decimal. So can we take 3.14? It will become easy.
Sorry.
No, sir, the digit 3.14 is already in the decimal form. And this
Okay.
301.84 is also in decimal form. So it will become easy if we take 3.14. Directly multiplication, right?
You can multiply, but decimal why? It takes more time, right? Instead of doing that way, or else you do like this. 22 by 7 r square. You can do 30184 divided by 100. R square is equal to 7 into 30184 divided by 2200. Clear? So you can solve like this. Look at this here, look at this now. Multiply this. Find out R value from that. Find R value and circumference formula is what? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Substitute here 2 into 22 by 7 into r, whatever you get here. Clear? R value, whatever you get here. Very simple. Clear, da? Any doubt? That's how we can solve. I'm just telling you the concept here. How can we solve? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next, find the area of circle. Area of circle. How can you solve the area of circle? Tell me. Find the area of circle whose circumference given. 2 pi r given. 2 pi r is equal to 44 given. You have to find out the area, which is pi r square. Okay. So 2 pi r means.
Sir, for the question before this, which we did, we get r square is equal to approximately 92.12. Then if I transpose the square root of r, I mean not square, the square of r to the right side, it would be r is equal to square root of 92 point the digits. So what would I take it? Because I still need to find the circumference.
Okay. So look at it. If you find square root of 9, what do you got? 90? Hello? What is r square value?
Sir, I got 96.04.
96.04. 96.04. So r value is what?
Sir,
Here?
even I got
So 96 means what is the nearest value to 96? Perfect square. 10 means 10 is 100, right? So 9.8
the
something.
9.8.
Yes.
And sir, 2 pi r is 60.76.
So here 9.8. Here 7. 60 point?
60.76.
60.76 means you can write simply 61. Isn't it? No. Calculate, man. 7 ones are 70 point. Not 0 point. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 1.2 something. 1.2 5. 1.25. So 44 into 1. Yes, tell me, Diksha.
Yeah, I got 61.6.
You got 61.6. So 61.6, which can be written as 62, but you write in decimals, right? So they have written in decimals, so let us write in decimals. So 61.6 is a circumference. 61.6 is what? Units. What units?
Centimeter.
61.6 centimeters. Next, so find the area of the circle whose circumference is given this much. So area is equal to this much. Find it out. How can we find it out? Area by r square. So what is r value here? 44 into 7 by 44. 22 into 2, 42 or no? So r is equal to 7. R is equal to 7 means what is area? Therefore area is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 square. 7 will get cancelled. 7 into 7 how much? 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. This is area. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Tell me.
So no doubt.
Very simple. Next question. Area
Sir,
of
just 1 minute, sir. Please scroll up.
circumference of circle exceeds the diameter by 16.8 centimeter. Find the circumference of circle. Make it fast. Solve this question. Tell me the answer within a minute. Within a
Sir?
minute. Yes.
Should we solve on our own? Fourth one.
Yes, you should solve. You must solve by your own. Tell me the answer within a minute.
Sir?
Yes. Tell me what the answer.
No, sir. No. 1 minute.
What's the answer? Arya, look at this. So circumference of circle exceeds diameter.
Sir?
Yes. Tell me.
Sir?
Circumference, if I denote with anything, look at circumference. Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, circumference is 2 pi r. So we
Circumference
can.
is equal to, it exceeds, which means d plus 16.8, diameter plus this much, isn't it? So circumference is 2 pi r. Diameter
R
is
can be written as d by 2.
what? Diameter is what? 2r. 16.8, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no? So 2 pi r minus 2r is equal to 16.8. So 2r. So pi minus 1 is equal to 16.8. Is it clear? So here look at this. So 2r. So 3.14 minus 1 is equal to 16.8. So 2r is equal 3.14 minus 1 is 2.14.
2.14.
16.8. So 2r is equal to 16.8 divided by 2.14. So 2r is equal to what? So let us-
168 by 214.
so you write this as
So it would be 1680 by
168
214.
by 0.8 divided by 2.14. 2.14 into 2, how much? 4.28. Isn't it? 4.28. So if I do this 60 by 10 into 100 by 428, so 10 will get cancelled. So 1680 by 428. Solve this.
Sir, it's 3.9 centimeters.
3.9. So 428. Okay, 420 ones are 420. How much you got? 3.98.
No, sir, I got 3.92.
So yeah, 3.9 you write. 3.9 centimeters. 3.9 centimeters. So this is what? This is what I got, radius. So he's asking for circumference of circle, isn't it? He's asking for circumference of circle. So therefore circumference of circle is what? Circumference is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 3.9. Calculate this. So 2 into 3.4, how much? 6.28 into 3.9. Calculate this, how much? 628 by 100 into 39
So
by
22.608.
22 point
608.
22.608. Yes, whatever. Well, multiplication is simple, right? You have to calculate on your own. This is how you must solve. Next question. Next question. So a horse is tied to a pole with a 28-meter long string. Find the area whose horse can graze.
Sir, if we draw one circle and we place a point inside the circle
Hmm?
and we draw the radius,
Solve
so
that.
that is a long string. So the radius can move all over the circle. So the horse can move 360 degrees. So we need to find the area of the circle and then we'll get the place where the horse can graze.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm getting 2,464 meters square.
How much?
2464 meters square.
Right answer. A horse is tied to a pole with a 28-meter long string. So length of the string mean, let us denote with L. 28 meter. And find the area of a horse can grass. So if I have a look at this here, if I have a, horse is tied up here, horse is tied up here, so it can move around like this, which means circle. Horse can move around, isn't it? Horse can move around. So horse is tied up over here. I don't know, it is not looking like how. This is a horse. Okay, horse can move around. Horse can move around. So what is that area of circle? What is that? Pi r square. Okay, wow. Right? So 22 by 7. What is radius here?
28.
28. Length means, look at this here. Hearts is, you understand my point? Here, hearts has been tied here. And this low 28. Radius is 28. So hearts can move around the circle. Look at this. And have that grass. So 28 into 28. So 7 ones are 7 fours are. So 88 into 28. 88 into 28 is what? Area is what? So how much you got? 2464 meter square. We asked given meter, so meter square is the answer. Clear? Any doubts?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts? Next question. Solve this question immediately. Make it fast. Done.
Sir, I got 121 by 2.
121
By 2, sir.
how? Look
Sir,
at this.
54.5.
So
121 by 2.
a steel wire bent in the form of a square. Look at the steel wire formed in the form of squares. Enclose the area of 121 centimeter square. Okay. If the same wire bent in the form of a circle, what the area is asking for? What the area is asking for? Clear? So look at this. So I know that square of area is what? A square, which means 121. A is equal to what? 11. Isn't it? Square root
So
of
we
121.
know that the perimeter is 4 times 11 is 44.
Perimeter is what? Perimeter of square.
44.
This is area of square. So this one are relevant. So perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square is equal to what? 4 times of A. So perimeter is equal to what now? 4 into 11, which gives me 44 centimeters. Is it clear? Isn't it? Perimeter.
So the answer is 154 centimeters square.
See, perimeter of square is equal to what now? Same. What you understand? Perimeter of square means what? That area. I mean, the circumference of that particular square, isn't it? Circumference, I would say area. I mean, the perimeter means circumference, right? That wire, whatever the wire we have used to frame a square, that same amount of wire has been used to frame a circle, which means now perimeter of area is equal to perimeter of square is equal to circumference of circle. As simple as that. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
understood that. Here, perimeter of square is equal to circumference a circle. So here 4a. So 4a, what you got? 44 I got. Circumference is what? 2 pi r. So 44 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So here, what is r value? 2 into 44. 2 into 22, 44. 44 will r value is what? 7. Clear? Area of circle we have to find out. Area of circle. Area of circle formula is what? Therefore, circle is equal by r square. 22 by 7. R square means 7 into 7. So 7 gone. So 27 into 7 how much?
154 centimeters square.
Very simple. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Next.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't see the word area. I took that as perimeter and then I found out the area.
No. You must read the question. Guys, any doubt? Boys and girls, any doubts here? Boys and girls, any doubts here?
No doubts, sir.
Next. Solve this question quickly. The circumference of two circles are in the ratio. We have two circumference which is in the ratio of 2:1, 2:3. Find this ratio of their areas.
Sir, 4:9.
4:9. How? First, what did you take here? Circumference. So
Yes, sir. I
circumference
made 2 pi r1 is to 2 pi r2, 2 pi cancel. R1,
is equal. Yes, very good.
R1, it can R1 is to R2, is 2 is to 3, R1 is to R2 is 3. Then
So
pi r
yeah,
square.
areas. Look at this areas. Pi r1 square is to pi r2 square, which gives me what? Look at this. 22 by 7 into 2 square is to, you can cancel pi, you can cancel here. Simply you can cancel, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
4 square, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 is to 9. Very simple. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubt, guys? Yes or no? Next question. Next question. So the sum of the sum of the sum of the same sum of the radii, the sum of the radii of two circles, is 140 centimeter, and the difference of their circumference is equal to 88 centimeters. So find the diameters of the circles. Make it fast. One second, guys. Let me connect the charger. Battery is dead.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, very good. Tell me what's the answer.
The diameters of the circles are 456 and 632 respectively.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I got 224 and 56.
You got
224 and 56.
See, 1 second. I need everyone to be, I request everyone to be, respond in a class. See, I see only 2 members are responding. Sometimes Diksha is responding. Diksha. Yes, tell me.
I got the diameters as 228 and 52.
So diameter, what you got?
228 and 52.
No.
Close, sir.
Here, the sum of the radii. What he has given? Sum of the radii of 2 circles is 140 given, and the difference of the circumference is 88 given. Find the diameters.
So, sir, R1 plus R2 is 140.
Sum of the radii of R1 plus R2.
140.
140. Okay.
And 2 pi R1 minus 2 pi R2 is 88.
R1 plus R2 is equal to 140 centimeters. So difference of their circumference.
2 pi R1 minus 2 pi R2.
So the 2 pi R1 minus 2 pi R2 is equal to 88.
So we can cancel 2 pi 2 pi.
R1 minus R2 is equal to 88.
Now it's a linear equation in 2 variables.
Now look at this here. If I calculate, if I solve this equation 1 into, what would I get? Add 1 plus 2. So 2 times of R1 is equal to 228, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
R1 is equal to 114 centimeters. R1 is equal to, from second equation, if I write, so 114 minus R2 is equal to 88. So 114 minus 88 is equal to R2. So R2 means what? So 88, so 12. 12 means 56. Isn't it?
So I got R2 correct, but R1 I went wrong.
R1 is what?
R1 I got 224, not 114.
Or else can we do something like this?
So we can subtract them, right?
We can subtract 2, no problem.
Sir, I got
Then
R1.
R1 will get cancelled.
Sir, R2 is 26.
R2
Sir,
20.
it's 114 minus 88, not
But can you
144
also
minus 88.
can you also check by subtracting, sir? Because
Yeah, 114. Very good observation. 114. So कितना मिलेगा इधर? 20?
26.
26. So R2 this one and R1 this one. Okay, no problem. So diameter,
is double the radius, sir.
what he has given, diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle means circle 1. So D1 is what? 2 times of R1, which means 2 times of 114. So D2 is equal to 2 times of R2, which means 2 times of 26. Here 228, 52. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, I got the same answer.
Yeah. We done a mistake here. Hello, boys and girls, look at this here. Why? Here you cannot. So this is not the way to cancel. Look at this here. We done wrong here. Here pi value 22/7, right? How come you solve like that? Look at this. Here 2 pi common, right? So 2 pi means 2 into 22/7 into R1 minus R2 is equal to 88. So R1 minus R2 is equal to 88 into 7 by 44. 44 ones, 44 twos. R1 minus R2 is equal to 14. All right. R1 minus R2 is equal to 14. So solve now. This is second equation 9. So 1 plus 2 if I do. So what I get? 2 times of R1 is equal to 154. Clear? R1 is equal to 77. If R1 is equal to 77, what is R2? From the second number equation, 77 minus R2 is equal to 14. 77 minus 14 is equal to R2. R2 is equal to 63. Look at this. Now diameter 1 is equal to what? 63.
154.
So 2 into 77, 154 centimeter, and 2 into 63, 126 centimeter. ये होता है हमारा आंसर. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Any doubts? Hello?
No, sir.
So yes, this is what the today's class. And guys, please do solve your NCERT. These are Ardhi problems. Please do solve your NCERT problems. Okay, so that you will get an idea. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Very good. So let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session and then goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.